নমস্কার, লক্ষ্মীপুর টাইমসের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদেরকে জানাই স্বাগতম। খবর পড়ছি অনুজা দাস। বুধবার ফুলেরতল আশাপল্লী ইংলিশ হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি স্কুলে টাটা গ্রুপের উদ্যোগে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের মধ্যে রচনা ও কুইজ প্রতিযোগিতা অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। উক্ত প্রতিযোগিতায় আশাপল্লী ইংলিশ হায়ার সেকেন্ডারি স্কুলের 250 জন ছাত্রছাত্রীরা অংশগ্রহণ করেন। অনুষ্ঠানে অতিথি হিসেবে উপস্থিত ছিলেন টাটা গ্রুপের পক্ষ থেকে জয়দীপ নাথ সহ অন্যান্যরা।
After that, we will be asking questions and one by one you can answer it.
Technology, even before it was extensively used in England. The move doubled the production, share values, Zoom, and Jamshedji's reputation as an astute industrialist was firmly established. Jamshedji was a benevolent employer, and his ideas were well into the future. He offered his people shorter working hours, well-ventilated workspaces, good living conditions, performance incentives. Jamshedji, all his purchases were made not so much for himself as to let India know of the developments happening across the seas. Sir George King, chief curator of the Botanical Gardens in Calcutta, acknowledged after a chance meeting that he had actually learned something in plants from Jamshedji. Jamshedji loved Bombay. For a clean and smokeless city. Only 2 mill owners agreed to tap the bar, but he still went ahead with it. What mattered to him most was that Bombay needed it. Once Jamshedji was invited to dine by a supercilious hotel manager with the infamous line.
Everyone knows it? Yes or no? Yes. So that's good. So he was a very great man, and he had died. It's very so bad news. But I like to say that Ratan Tata have introduced so many industries like coke,